Alright, so we're going to change these clampies over. This tool's interesting.
Yeah, for $30.
I wonder if they make a hydraulic one.
Yeah, you think that would be even better?
I don't know.
Probably snap your fingers off quicker than this one. What? I forgot there's an aftermarket.
Okay, that one's ready to go.
Wow. Is it even working? Oh. Yep, nope. I hate that.
I don't know. It's kind of a cool tool, I guess.
Yeah, for $30.
40.
30. You start going up and down. Because I'm trying to set it in one place and get it done with it.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Not bad. Do you remember which way this goes?
Why do you quit? I'm the what the
Alright, back to the truck.
hold on. No,
Does it go like this?
no, it's here. Back. Yeah, let's. Where's my stool? Here. Give me my stool.
Let's see if we can figure out where it goes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. Give me a hint. So let's see here.
Well, it either goes here to there or there to here.
Judging by this kind of being.
Let's see if our cameraman remembers our work.
Okay, this is a bit thicker than this one right here.
Oh, no, they're the same size.
Oh, are they?
Yeah,
They don't look the same size.
they are. There's one thing I forgot to do. I gotta clean that real quick.
Oh, that is it?
Yeah. No, the outside.
Oh. Well, here, let me see if I'm stupid. So I don't know if that's really in the way. Why is this a thing? Why did Ford do this?
Well, because they lay it on top of the hose.
So, yeah, I don't think that's it. I don't think that's it at all. No, it's not it. Are you sure they're the same size?
They are the same
You
size.
just gotta get it in weirdly, huh?
Well, if you put the hose in backwards, it won't meet up with the radiator.
Okay, so you think
So you have to flip it 180 degrees.
So, like, no, that's not it. No, wait.
There you go.
Okay, so...
Yeah, that
Okay.
looks about right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hold on, is it going to slip right in?
Yeah, but can I clean that first? I gotta clean that first.
I wanted to get it in. Yeah,
Alright,
clean it.
hold on. Let's clean that first. Alright, so this is stained, but this isn't pitted, so... Well, we do got a little bit of pitting there. Okay, so this is how we're going to fix that. Camera?
You're gonna grit it?
Yep, we are going to grit it. So a little bit of sandpaper, 1000 grit, a little bit of WD-40, a little bit of elbow grease. Knock down that crud, we won't have a leak. This is how I clean the bottom one too. This is how I ensure against leaks. Okay, I got a little bit of pitting down here. But yes, you definitely want to use only 1000 grit. Do not use 800, 600, 300. You just want to use good old 1000. You can get it at Walmart. It's cheap. No. Alright, don't be cheap. You can get this stuff dirt cheap at Walmart. They sell it in the automotive section. They sell it in 800, 1015, and 2000 grit. 2000 will get nothing done. You do that on a fine finish on a car, but for this, for cleaning, 1000 grit's all you need. Alright, I'll clean that up. I don't want any contamination with our cooling system. Alright, spray that one more time. Alright, see there? Nice and clean. Now with the plastic side of this job, with the radiator, all you need to do is just simply wipe it down with a rag and brake cleaner. Other than that, with this, you might have to do a little light sanding if yours is really bad. You can also buy these new at O'Reilly's or Ford. Alright, you ready to put your hose in?
Do you have it the right way?
Do you have it the right way?
Do I have it? Okay, hold on. No, I don't have it. This is the right way, right?
I don't know, is it?
No, because if it goes like this, it's not.
It can't go like that.
So it's like that then. How did you get it in here? How do you mechanics even?
Well, first off, you got to be above that.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean this?
Yeah,
Right here?
there you go.
Okay. What the fuck about this then? Oh, here we go.
Now this is an aftermarket hose. It's going to be a little bit bigger.
Are you sure? I think I got it on. No, I did not get it on.
Yeah, wiggle it back and forth. It's the opposite of taking it off.
I almost have it on. I don't know. Because, like, the bottom is like... I don't know. You feel that. Is that...
Well, you got a little bit to go, but you're almost there. Alright, no, you're flush. You're good. You're good.
Okay, I'm good?
Alright.
Okay.
Now put in the thermostat side. Or the upper outlet.
Yeah, how are you supposed to get that on?
Well, sometimes you have to kind of bend the hose, get it persuaded in the way that you want it in.
Wait, you mean like...
Yeah. I wouldn't squeeze it, but I don't know.
That's not going to go in.
Oh, it's going to go. It has to go.
You sure?
Yeah.
Can I get it for this?
You got a little bit of ways to go yet, but you're doing good.
Yeah, I'm kind of short.
Alright, as soon as you get it all the way back, that's good, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Alright, you're good.
Alright.
Now see, if a cameraman can do that job, you have no excuse.
Took me a while, but I got it. Oh, you want to move this soon?
Nope. Alright, we'll use our nifty tool from O'Reilly's. Yeah, we've had quite the fun with this tool today, haven't we?
Uh-huh. Yeah, okay, positioned. I'm positioned. Just don't cut my fingers off.
No, that wouldn't be good. I'm going fishing tomorrow.
Yeah, well,
Which is why we're working late tonight.
yeah, that's stupid. I could have. Oh. I still don't like that. You get it?
Yeah, it's a little farther back than I'd like.
Well, then get it back more in.
Yeah, this tool's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it gets the job done, but I don't know. I think there's better tools out there. Got the job done today, but I don't know if I'd ever use it again. It might be going back to O'Reilly's and telling them, well, this tool sucks.
Oh, you can't return it.
Oh, yes, I can.
Nope.
Okay. Yikes.
There, see?
I can tell you that clamp ain't going nowhere. It broke the tool.
Yeah.
Alright, one more clamp. Alright, you see right here, this is the radiator, this is the nipple edge. You want to make sure you're butted right up. Kind of push on it. And we're going to fall in right between here with the clamp.
Yeah, if it doesn't break on us again.
Yeah, if it don't break on us again.
Okay.
Alright, everybody clear?
Uh-huh.
This tool is dangerous. Alright.
I don't even want to be that close to it.
Yeah, I don't either. I mean, it works good when it works. Feeling for the nipple edge. I'm going to slowly release the tension. Check our final distance. We're a little closer than I want to be, but I'm going to use a different tool.
How are you now?
Yeah, I've had enough fun with that one for one day. I can reach this one with this tool. I don't like how far forward it is. It's about the only time you'll see me use this tool for this job. Okay, so the nipple edge, the finger length, we're good all the way around.
Can we go down?
And you won't have any leaks.
Alright, see that, guys?
That's the way it should be done.
Uh-huh.
Whew.
I hate this. That was a horrible job.
That one was tough. Those springs are no joke. You got to have the right tool for them. A lot of guys are just throwing the towel and they just throw clampies, normal clampies at it. And the one thing about it, I'll tell you, that the heat cycles will loosen them and then you'll always be chasing leaks. And with this engine especially, you cannot have any leaks of the cooling system, because if you do, you'll cavitate that water pump housing, and that's no good. Okay, the last order of business, one little puny hose. We can pull our light out. Light be gone.
How many more hoses?
How many hoses? Only one, I promise you.
Wire.
Yeah, maybe. Alright, we're going to hook up the hose that maintains the pressure to the radiator to the pressure cap. Basically, any overage of pressure here, meaning the liquid needs somewhere to go, goes out through this hose into here. Pressure is kept here. Luckily, this is a low tension clamp. And we'll just put it back in the original spot. There we go. And that completes the job as far as the hard part about it, the water pump, tensioner, idler pulley, fan clutch, all the hoses. Now we're ready to put some coolant in this beast and check for leaks before we start it. The way O-rings work, they either hold or they don't. The way these spring clamps work, they either hold or they don't. So if you don't have a leak while you're burping the system before you start it, chances are you probably won't have a leak afterwards. So we're going to mix some coolant. Stay tuned, that's coming next, first start, and other than that, we are just about done.